Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed traders, and fellow adventurers in the world of finance. As we gather here today, amidst the bustling energy of the trading floor, I want to take a moment to reflect on what truly sets us apart in this dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, our ability to harness the power of emotions. Trading isn't just about numbers and charts, it's a deeply human experience, a journey that challenges us to confront our deepest fears, embrace our greatest ambitions, and forge a path towards success with courage and resilience. In the fast-paced world of finance, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye, emotional management isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. It's what sets apart the amateurs from the masters, the timid from the bold, and the successful from the struggling. Think back to your first day on the trading floor, the excitement coursing through your veins, the adrenaline rush of executing your first trade, the thrill of possibility hanging in the air like a tangible force. It's moments like these that remind us why we chose this path, the promise of adventure, the allure of challenge, and the opportunity to carve our own destiny in the world of finance. But amidst the excitement and opportunity, there also lies a shadow, the shadow of fear, doubt, and uncertainty. The market is a fickle mistress, capable of turning fortunes to dust in the blink of an eye. And it's in moments of uncertainty that our emotions can either be our greatest ally or our most formidable foe. Emotional management isn't about suppressing our emotions or denying their existence, it's about embracing them fully, understanding their power, and learning to channel them constructively. It's about acknowledging the fear that grips us when faced with uncertainty, the exhilaration that courses through our veins when trade goes our way, and the despair that weighs heavy on our hearts when things don't go as planned. But it's also about recognizing that we are more than our emotions, that we have the power to rise above them, to transcend our fears and doubts, and to chart a course towards success with unwavering determination and resilience. Just as a skilled sailor learns to navigate the stormy seas with grace and precision, so too must we learn to navigate the turbulent waters of the market with courage and resilience. We must learn to weather the highs and lows with equanimity, to trust in our abilities, and to stay true to our vision even in the face of adversity. And perhaps most importantly, we must remember that we are not alone in this journey. We are part of a community of traders bound together by a shared passion for adventure, a hunger for success, and a commitment to excellence. In times of uncertainty, let us lean on each other for support, draw strength from our shared experiences, and celebrate each other's successes as if they were our own. So, fellow traders, as we set forth on this journey together, let us embrace the power of emotional management as our guiding light. Let us harness the full spectrum of human emotions, the fear, the excitement, the joy, and the sorrow, and use them to propel us toward greater heights of success and fulfillment. For in the end, it's not just about the profits we accrue or the trades we execute, it's about the journey we undertake, the challenges we overcome, and the legacy we leave behind. And with emotional management as our compass, I have no doubt that we will navigate the complexities of the market with grace, courage, and unwavering determination,